Welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore citrus fruit smoothie for diabetic citrus. It will nourish and energize your body, satisfy that sweet tooth, and respect your blood sugar levels. Wait, before starting video, I introduce you with Medifast, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 200 gram or 1 large grapefruit peeled and diced, juice of 2 lemons, half cup or 110 ml of coconut water. First of all, peel the grapefruit and try to remove as much of the white surroundings as possible, as they are quite bitter. Then add the lemon juice, grapefruit flesh, and lemon juice to a blender and blend in pulses until smooth, stopping frequently to stir down the ice. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can include 1 or 2 ice cubes in the mix. Pour the smoothie into the glasses. Serve and enjoy immediately. Lemon grapefruit smoothie, that's refreshing, diabetic, friendly, detoxing, and so delicious. We had leftover grapefruit, lemon, and half a bottle of coconut water. Are you ready to manage low blood sugar level at home naturally? Click link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.